Divide 845 by 5 in long division method. 5 times 1 is 5. On subtracting we get 3. So now we put down this 4 and it is 34. 5 times 6 is 30. On subtracting we get 4. So again we put down this 5 and it is 45. So 5 times 9 is 45. On subtracting we get 0. So 845 divided by 5 is 169. So this much for today and thanks for watching.